Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am showing you how to make my super easy yet crazy delicious scrambled eggs with onion. Trust me, it's a game changer. Let's dive in. For this recipe, you will need 6 eggs and 1 medium-sized onion. But feel free to adjust the number of eggs to your liking. First, I will crack the eggs into a bowl. Add salt to taste. And beat them really well until the yolks and whites are fully combined. I'm adding some black pepper, and of course green onion. Then quickly give it a mix. Set it aside. Next, I will thinly slice the onion and cutting it across the grain this way. So actually I only need half of the onion instead of one, and I will set this half aside. Next, I am going to add this onion into the eggs. And just mix them up. And this is ready to go. All right, let's get cooking. I am warming up the pan on high-medium heat. I'm using pork lard rather than vegetable oil. You can use butter if you prefer. Next, I am going to pour in the mixed egg. One thing to note that I am not stirring the scrambled egg, but instead pan fry it until golden brown. Now the egg is ready to flip. I am going to add extra oil. There you have it. Pan-fried scrambled eggs with onion. A delicious dish that you can enjoy it with steamed rice on the side, or you can just serve by itself for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.